Oops. Can you hear her purring? She's got her purr on. Did you turn your purr on? Huh? What a pretty girl. Oh, I'm going to go for a roll. Get it. Get it. Oh. If only we had a 3D camera. Whoa. Hannah in 3D. Now that would be impressive. Get it. Look at those pawsies. What about this one? Oh, Hannah, look. Oh, it's feather bow time. She gets a little bit silly when feathers are involved, don't you? A little bit silly. What a pretty girl. What a pretty girl. So pretty. Look at you. Oops, we have a poke through. There we go. Okay, Hannah. Oh, we've got a right poke through now. Oops, that's my finger. So cute. And the feathers are flying. Oh, you got it. Are you going to pull it back to your lair? Pull it back to your lair. Ooh. Look at that face. Oh dear, we might need some repairs. Excuse me, Jackson Galaxy. Can you please send me a new lobster trap? Look at him. Oh my gosh. Let's turn it this way. That's better. Oh, she can't work out what she wants to play with more, the tunnel or the feathers. The tunnel in the feathers is just too much. It's too much fun for one cat. When she tries to get it through the mesh, it looks like she's wearing a stocking and she's wearing, like, going to go rob a bank. What a fun cat. She's so fun. Someone please adopt her. I mean, it doesn't get much more fun than this, does it? And she fits in hoodies. So there's that. She doesn't like other cats though. So you have to spoil only her. Okay. Ooh. So cute. So cute. Your pretty feathers. You're so cute with your pretty feathers. Can you believe someone let her run away to be spayed, to go and get pregnant, which I'm sure she had at least one litter, but judging from her age, she was only 9 months-ish when she wound up at the pound. And they thought she was pregnant, so she was either had just finished weaning a litter or had a phantom pregnancy. Either way, she wasn't spayed by her owners, and she got out, probably to go out in search of tomcats, and that was it. And she wasn't chipped, so no one could find her owners. They probably thought, oh, she's still young, we've got time. No, you don't. It happens. It happens. Doesn't it? Hmm? What about this one? Are you done with the feathers now? I'm going to go back to this one. You're getting tired already. Someone sneezed. Someone sneezed. I think it might have been Mr. Knightley. He's been sneezing less since being on the lysine, Annie. They're all on lysine right now. So no more cat flu for these guys. No more. Actually, I don't think she's ever had cat flu. I think she's, because she's definitely had contact with humans, but all the others, I think, have had a dose of it. Isn't that right? Are you tired? Did I wear you out, huh? Did I wear you out? That's just as well, because I've got to get ready to go to work. Huh? Yeah. Ooh. What was that? I'm not really measuring it. I'm just, that little scoop that's in there, probably about, I'm sprinkling maybe a half to 3/4 of that on the whole thing. I don't know. I think when I was using it earlier for a different litter, I was putting about a half a teaspoon in the meal that the mum and all the kittens were eating, which was 7 cats. So I thought that maybe a little bit more than that would do it. But I don't know. I need to actually look up the dosages. So it's not very much. Good girl. Yes, silly sausage. What a silly sausage. I'm trying to get a photo of her with a feather boa, but it's not cooperating. She gets so wound up. I've got to wind this up, Hannah. Okay? You can keep playing though, because all of these wonderful toys are yours. Yeah, isn't it exciting? It's so exciting. through the mesh. Alright. You've got to stop being so cute because it's very difficult to leave. Please, Hannah. Should we leave it on Miss Hannah today while I'm at work? Right. Hannah, I have to leave now. I have to. Don't make me stay. Don't even try. Okay? Don't even try. Yeah, I know. Look, that's you trying. That is you trying. Not gonna work.